Hello everyone, welcome to Prompt with Pal. Today we're diving into a game changer for everyone who works with spreadsheet, the new agent mode in Microsoft Excel. Whether you're a number cruncher, a business analyst, or simply someone who uses Excel to track budgets and data, this tool could radically change how you build, analyze, and present your work. In the next few minutes, we will look at what this feature can do, walk you through on how it works step by step in real prompts, and explore where it excelled. So if you have ever spent time battling formulas, arranging data, and creating reports, stay tuned in. We are about to bring you our new agent mode in Excel. Let's begin. So let's get started with the new era of Excel where you don't just calculate data, you converse with it. Here's the agent mode, Excel's reasoning engine that transforms how we analyze and visualize the information. All I need to do is describe my intent and the agent explains, plans, executes every step. So let's begin with a single natural language prompt. I ask Excel to build a dashboard to understand the production performance, showing average yield, total production versus plan, and defect trends by month. Instantly, agent mode begins its multi-step reasoning process. It breaks down the task into logical stages: planning, structuring, creating, and refining. This isn't one-step macro. It's Excel reasoning like an analyst. As you can see, the agent documents every stage from planning the dashboard to building the sheet and adjusting the visuals. Each activity reflects a stage in its multi-step reasoning. First, interpreting the intent, then mapping it to action, generating outputs, verifying the results, and finally refining them. This approach ensures the final dashboard isn't just built fast, it's built intelligently. And just like that, Excel builds a fully functional dashboard. It creates a KPI tile showing average yield of 95.27%, total production versus plan, and defect rate of 4.07%. Then through further multi-step reasoning, it determines the best visuals, a clustered column chart for production versus plan by plant, and a line chart for defect trend by month. Every chart, label, layout is auto-generated, reviewed, and formatted, and the agent completes an end-to-end design cycle without manual intervention. Next, the agent mode shows complete transparency on how it arrived at these insights. It details every formula it created, from calculating the yield to aggregating the monthly defects, all driven by its internal stepwise reasoning chain. This clarity gives user confidence that every metric can be verified and trusted. Now let's move ahead, and I would like to now ask the agent to go deeper, identifying when production efficiency fell below average and correlate it with defects and scrap data that is available. The agent launches a multi-phase reasoning sequence. Like you can see here, it scans all the planned month record, computes yield, variance versus benchmark, flags low yield instances, correlates them with the defect and the scrap quantities that I've asked for, summarizes the findings, and then it gives me the result that I'm looking for. The result, a precise diagnostic insights that highlights 35 low performance incidents and clearly identifies the root causes like quality drift or process changeovers. This demonstrates its reasoning through data relationship, understanding the dependency between production, defects, and scrap instead of just running isolated formulas. For every prompt and information that I'm looking for, it is creating a separate sheet and then building the content that I'm looking for. Let's now move on for analysis to prediction. I ask agent to forecast the next 3 months of yield and defect percentage with confidence intervals. The agent immediately breaks the request into multi-step reasoning plan, creates a new forecast sheet, build monthly time series for each plant, apply statistical models, generate confidence bands, add risk flags for plants near the yield threshold. It executes, validates, visualizes the entire forecasting workflow autonomously. Now, the outcome is clean, readable forecast chart for each plant, and the agent not only computes the 3 months projection for yield and defect rates, but also creates upper and lower confidence bands showing uncertainty range visually. Each forecast is the result of layered reasoning steps, calculation, prediction, validation, and risk flagging, ensuring accuracy and interpretability. Finally, I ask for executive brief, highlight the best performance, the key improvement areas, and one actionable recommendation. The agent immediately evaluates the plant level metrics, verifies the plan adherence, and synthesizes the result. The best performing plant, plan B, highest yield and the lowest defect, the biggest improvement area, schedule attainment, largest shortfalls versus plan, and actionable recommendation, run weekly capacity and readiness review to close the output gap. Again, this comes from a multi-layered reasoning. The agent compares performance, validates variance, and generates a human readable recommendation. So as you've seen, agent mode isn't just automating step, it's reasoning through your data. It plans, calculates, correlates, forecasts, and summarizes, showing complete awareness of the context and the purpose. Every result you see here comes from multi layers of structured thought, from rows to reasoning. This Excel reimagined a partner that not only computes but truly understands.
So today we explored how agent mode in Excel shifts the paradigm from I build the sheet to I guide the sheet, letting the agent handle the heavy lifting and you steer, verify and refine. So thank you for watching. Let's keep pushing from confusion to clarity with smart prompts and intelligent tools. Thank you.